Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the 𝓬𝓪𝓬𝓬 Beauty. Today, we're diving into the secrets of achieving clear and glowing skin. Whether you're dealing with acne, blemishes, or just want to maintain your skin's health, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Daily skincare routine. Establish a consistent daily skincare routine. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities and follow with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Tip 2. Hydration and diet. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from within. Additionally, incorporate a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants for healthier skin. Tip 3. Sun protection. Sunscreen is your best friend. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 daily to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Tip 4. Avoid over-cleansing. Avoid over-cleansing. Washing your face too often can strip away natural oils. Stick to a morning and evening cleansing routine. Tip 5. Exfoliation. Exfoliate regularly. Gently exfoliate your skin once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells and promote a radiant complexion. Tip 6. Sleep and stress management. Get enough sleep and manage stress. Quality sleep and stress reduction are essential for skin rejuvenation. Tip 7. Skincare products. Choose the right skincare products. Tailor your products to your skin type. Consult a dermatologist if needed. Tip 8. Hands off your face. Don't touch your face. Your hands can transfer bacteria and oils to your skin, leading to breakouts. Tip 9. Stay consistent. Patience and consistency. Clear skin takes time. Stick to your routine and give your skin time to show improvement. And there you have it, 10 tips for clear and glowing skin. Remember, what works for one person may not work for another, so don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Be patient and give your skin the care it deserves. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more skincare tips. Thanks for watching.